every week another haircut. Your kids, your husband, and you. Pay. Who can afford this anymore? Now you can save all that time and money on trips to the salon with the new professional home hair cutting system, the CreaClip. Long hair, short hair, straight or curly, all beautiful and styled with the CreaClip, and all without spending a fortune at the salon. Great for moms, dads, teenagers, and kids, the whole family. The secret is in this style guide level for balanced cuts every time. Just clip on CreaClip, set the level for balance, slide, and cut with confidence. It's so easy. No more uneven cuts. The CreaClip teeth comb and distributes the hair evenly. The lock secures the hair in place. The level also rotates for angle cuts. Look and feel younger, or cut off split ends for healthier looking hair. You can also create layers. Just clip, slide, and cut. Perfect layers in just 5 minutes. Instant volume and body. Save hundreds of dollars a year for the entire family. CreaClip will give you a professional quality cut every time, and you get a money-back guarantee. So why wait?